Hello students, this is R.K. Patel, PGT Biology, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Maligaon. Students, under the chapter Acids, Bases and Salts, till now you have studied about the acids, bases, salts, indicators. Under indicators, you have learned different type of indicators such as litmus paper, litmus solution, turmeric, China rose. And under the acid, you have studied about the natural acids, and inorganic acids are laboratory acids. Like that, you have studied about the bases. You have also studied about the neutralization. Students, neutralization is very important topic. You know that under neutralization, acids and bases react together and form salt and water. Students, neutralization in everyday life. In everyday life, we come across different situations where neutralization is required. Such as you can take the example of indigestion. What is indigestion? Sometimes you feel irritation or stomach pain due to the presence of excessive acids in your stomach. You know that hydrochloric acid is required to digest your food, but if this acid is in excessive amount in your stomach, then it is painful for you. What you have to require? You have to require the effect of these acids. That means you have to neutralize. How can neutralize this acid effects? You have studied about the neutralization reactions. When acids and bases react together, they form salt and water. So you have to use some kind of bases to neutralize excessive acid in your stomach. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acids. It is secreted by some cells in our stomach. It helps us to digest food. As you have learnt in chapter 2, but too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion is painful. You know that indigestion is painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid. What do you mean by antacid? Antacid which is against the acid. That means which is going to neutralize the acid. So what are antacids? You have to learn some name. One is the milk of magnesia. Actually, it is a base containing magnesium hydroxide. It can neutralize the effect of excessive acids. You have seen that sometimes when there is excessive gas in in stomach of any member of your family, you get ENO, and you dissolve this ENO in water and you take it and you feel fast relief. What is there in ENO? ENO also contains some types of bases which neutralize the acid. Second situation, ant bite. When an ant bites you, you feel irritation. Why you feel irritation when ant bites you, it injects an acidic liquid. This formic acid. Students, it is often asked, when an insect bites you, which acid is injected? It is formic acid. Then what you have to do? You have used some types of bases here. The effect of acid can be neutralized by rubbing most moist baking soda. Do you know the baking soda? Sodium hydrogen carbonate, as it is also known as sodium bicarbonate, or calamine solution. What is calamine solution? It contains zinc carbonate. If you rub this, your irritation will disappear. Third situation is soil treatment. Students, you have seen that there are some types of soil where you cannot grow the crops because the soil may be acidic or basic in nature. When the soil is too acidic or too basic, no crops can grow there. So you need to treat the soil. How you can treat the soil? If the soil is too much acidic, you have to use base, and if the soil is too much basic, you have to use acid to neutralize it. Let us see what can we do if the soil is too acidic. If the soil is too acidic, you have to some kinds of basic substances. If it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide, or slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. If the soil is acidic, you have to put a large amount of calcium oxide or slaked lime. Slaked lime is also known as chune ka pani, calcium hydroxide. Then it neutralizes the effect of acid, and the soil will be like to grow the crops. Sometimes you have seen that the soil may be basic. When the soil is basic, you have to add some acidic substances. You have learned that we use compost. The compost contains organic material which is acidic in nature. It again neutralizes the acid. It again neutralizes the basic nature of the soil, and the soil is fit for growing the crops. So this is known as soil treatment. Another situation is factory wastage. You know that in factories different types of inorganic acids are used. In the factory wastage, when the acid is used, when the wastage are thrown away, it contains acidic material which is very harmful. If it drain into the water bodies, the fishes may be killed and other organisms may die. So there is need to treat the factory wastage with some basic substances so that the factory wastage, when released in the water, this should be in neutralized form. Student, with this chapter ended, and in my next class I will start new chapter. Students, you have to do some home assignment. I will send you. You have to write the answer and send me back either in the Google Classroom or in the WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a nice day.